Hello, I'm Alphonse Provinziano. I'm the managing attorney and senior trial attorney at Provinziano Associates. And we're a boutique law firm of 15 attorneys located in Beverly Hills, and we focus exclusively on family law cases. Something that's a topic in any case when you're dealing with children is child support. And California is like many states where they have a child support calculator, but there's a lot of misconceptions as to what happens with the child support calculator. Basically, in understanding how child support is calculated, people will come to me often and they'll say, well, I think that, it should be based on my net income. It's only the take-home pay that my child support should be calculated on. That's just simply not the case. A major factor for child support is your gross income. So if a party is making $200,000 a year as a gross income, that gets calculated in determining child support, not the take-home. The take-home might be $100,000. But what it is that the courts will put this information into a calculator, and in the background, the calculator considers the tax impact of the gross numbers. The other big thing that comes into child support is the amount of time each parent is spending with a child. And in California, if you're closer to the 50-50 mark and the parties are making equal amounts of income, well then in that situation, you're going to be in a spot where there's negligible child support order. But what you have is where you have a parent that may make very little amount of money, but they have a ton of time with the kid. Maybe they have 70 or 80% of the time. And then the other parent, who's the person that's maybe working, has the income. We've seen many high net worth cases where one parent is maybe making a substantial amount of money and they're having very little custody time. They're having to pay large child support awards. And partially this is the public policy of the state of California. So there's a lot of different defenses and nuances that go into child support. What we try to do at our firm is help clients understand the situation that they're in, understand what the possibilities they have for child support, and then come up with the best strategy for them to seek the child support award that works in the best case for their family.